Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove certificates from your Windows 11 PC. Originally, you would have imported a certificate as a p12 file, also known as a personal information exchange file. To remove it, you'll first need to open up the control panel. So I'm going to navigate to my taskbar and I'm going to click on my search box and I'm going to type Control Space Panel. Once you've typed this in, at the top left, you can simply click on Control Panel, or you can click on Open to the right-hand side. Once you've got the Control Panel open, click on Network and Internet, then click on Internet Options. A small pop-up window will then open called Internet Properties. You'll be in the General tab. The tab that we need is Content. Click on Content. In here, you should see the section for certificates. Certificates are used for encrypted connections and identification. Look for the button that says Certificates in the middle and click on it. You'll then be greeted with another small pop-out window called Certificates. You have a little drop-down arrow here for intended purpose of the certificate you're searching for, which you can click on it if you want. I'm going to keep it on all. And you have multiple tabs here that you can go through. However, the certificate I'm looking for is underneath the personal tab. It was issued to John. It's issued by IKEv2 VPNCA. It's got an expiry date and it also has a friendly name. What you need to do is click on the certificate that you want removed to highlight it, and then underneath look for the word remove. Click on that. Windows will then ask you cannot decrypt data encrypted using the certificates. Do you want to delete the certificate? You have the option to click on no or yes. Click on yes and the certificate will be removed. And that pretty much concludes this short video on how to remove certificates, p12 files from your Windows 11 PC. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?